So, ayan, get ready with me. We're going to go out with friends tonight. They're inviting me to have, guys, dinner. So, we are going to do some gifts out for dinner. And time check, it's 4:56. And our meeting time is 6. And, yeah. Ayan, magpiprep lang muna tayo. And for today, we're not putting some foundation kasi magsasangyupsal tayo. So, kung magsasangyupsal tayo, guys, hindi tayo magpufunda kasi mamimelt yan sa init. Yan. It's night, but yeah. Still, I will use my cream. All the cream in the world lang tayo. Yeah, I have been craving samgyeopsal, but ayan. Wala akong time. Walang time. Or wala lang akong I think kung pwede pumunta ng samgyeopsal na mag-isa, na walang extra charge, I think pupunta ako. However, I think, dapat 2 yata yung minimum. I'm not sure though, but I think so. Okay. So, kahit gabi na guys, ayan, pa din tayo. Tawag nito, sunscreen. So, luckily, in-invite tayo na gusto doon nilang mag-dinner. Gusto din nila ng samgyeopsal. So, much lang din yung energy. So, ayan. So, I think, I haven't eaten any heavy meal. Any heavy food today. So, I just had coffee around 4. And then, after coffee, biscuits. I think, 2 biscuits and couple of corn chips. And then, after that, ayan, yun lang. Couple of corn chips and then 2 bananas. And then, I ate 1 boiled egg. So, yun lang yung kinain ko. Marami ba yun? I think so. I started my day around 4 a.m. So, yeah. And then, water. Yun lang. So, let's have my key life for today's video. Ayan, hindi natin masyadong ibobold to. Ko lang yung, i-fill in ko lang yung mga open spaces in the world. Ayan, fill in na natin. Ganun lang. Hindi ko siya isi-shape ng bongga. I-follow ko lang yung pattern. Tapos, i-fill in ko yung mga space. Yung space na binigay. Ayan. Lumabis yung space na binigay. O yun, it's done. So, ayan. Fill in lang natin yung mga space in between. Let's do the other one. Okay. Ayan, tapos na. Okay, so yun lang. Tapos, na tayo? Yan, ako, like, yung super light na contour. Ayan, super light. Yung parang almost nothing contour. Like, super light lang talaga, para lang. Okay. Tapos, i-blend lang natin siya. Wait. So, yan. Tapos, i-ano natin. Ganun. Like, super light lang talaga. Okay. Parang ano lang. Ganun. I'm not putting anything fancy kasi magsasangyup lang naman. Dito lang. Parang kunting glitter lang dito. Lang. Ow, ow, ow. Something's in me. Okay, it's done. For my eyeshadow. And then, for my ano guys, dito for my cheeks. Ano lang din tayo, light. Like, lightest of. Light, super light. Yan. Light lang. The lightest that it can get. Yung parang ano lang. Subtle color. Yan. After that, lagyan natin ng ano, highlighter. Iba yung highlighter na gamit natin. Oh, ayan. Let's make it pop. Pop, pop. Ganun. Yeah, see? Okay. Pop na natin. Okay. Ayan. That's all. Ganun lang, guys. Yung gusto kong lagyan konti dito yung mapapa yung ano. Chok. Ganun. Okay. Okay. And then let's do my eyeliner. Okay, let's do this. Ayan, it's done. And then, of course, let's have a subtle ano din, lipstick. Ano lang talaga siya. It's like nothing. Ganun. That's all. Ayan, let's see what's in my bag. So, ayan, lagyan lang tayo ng ano, alcohol. And then, let's have this. And then, let's have my lipstick and my wallet and, okay, my bangs is over curled. So, yan guys. And, oh, I don't have my accessories yet. So, I'm ready to go. So, ayan, complete na yung ating accessories for today's video. Where's my bag? And I am telling you, let's make this a sling one. So, this is our final outfit for today's video.